Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll guide you through how to blend two images together using Leonardo AI, a powerful tool that lets you create stunning visuals right from your browser. Now, before we jump into the process, quick disclaimer, I won't be able to show you the full step-by-step guide on screen since I don't have example images ready to upload. But don't worry, I'll walk you through everything based on a detailed guide from Toolify.ai, which breaks it down clearly. So, first, you should be able to upload your images. To start blending, head over to AI Canvas in Leonardo AI. Click the upload icon, usually an arrow pointing up or like this one. Choose from a computer, then select select two images you want to combine. Click open or upload to confirm. Both images will now show up in your canvas. Quick tip, stick with standard formats like JPEG or PNG and avoid uploading massive file sizes. They could slow things down or crash the tool. Now it's time to arrange your images. Click an image to select it, drag the corners to resize. If you hold shift while resizing, it maintains the aspect ratio. Then next is move the image around by dragging it anywhere on the canvas. Use zoom in controls or zoom controls to fine tune. Want one image in front of the other, right click, then choose bring to front or send to back. Experiment with size, placement, and layer order until you find the look you're going for. Next, this is where the real blending magic happens. Click the eraser icon in the toolbar to activate the erase tool. Adjust the brush size depending on how precise or broad you want the erasing to be. Click and drag over the parts of the image you want to remove. This creates transparency, letting the layer underneath show through. Use a soft edge brush for smooth transitions. You can even adjust opacity to make the blending subtle. This tool helps avoid harsh lines and gives your composition a natural, clean look. Again, since I don't have a sample image to upload, I can do a full hands-on walkthrough, but all this info is based on real steps from Toolify.ai's article, and you can follow it easily using your own images inside Leonardo.ai. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.